Today we're going to be replacing a garage door extension spring. As you can see, the spring has broken. One of the two spring has broken here. And there's a safety loop here that keeps the spring from actually damaging vehicles. So basically this is an older door. It's a solid garage door with the old style hinge and two springs connected to this hinge to counterbalance the garage door, the weight of the garage door. The thing about this setup is that it doesn't have a bolt here to release the tension like on the other doors I've seen. Here's a much better picture of what it looks like here. This is the left side hinge with the two springs, and the right side hinge is here. So what I'm going to be doing is actually removing the cotter pin here and then pulling this out to take out the first spring, and then I'm going to take out the second spring. It's a little bit under tension, so most of the tension is released, but I'm going to just pull it up with my body weight and it should come off pretty easily. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually brace the garage door. I did this with a aluminum ladder and a cooler right above it. It's kind of rickety, but this is not my house. I don't really have the tools here, so I do what I can make do with the material that I have. So this should work. Alright, so there's a little ring here to keep this metal safety bar from falling out. Take this out. There you go. And then you slide the pin out. There's the pin. Now what I'm going to be doing is pulling this off of this rod here, and then this will come off easily. The broken one gets removed. You should be replacing these in pairs, but since I'm doing it for someone else, and they don't want to spend too much money, I'm replacing only one. Done.